In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Wise digital card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will get the option to get and use a Wise digital card on the latest version of the Wise mobile app. So all that you have to do to properly acquire and use a Wise digital card is to have the latest version of their mobile app installed, open it up after updating it if necessary, and sign into the account where you are going to apply for the digital card. Inside of the app, all that you have to do is switch over to the Card tab, the option that you can find at the bottom of your screen. When you switch over to Card, you will see a list of all the cards that they offer, and all that you have to do is swipe to the left or right until you find the digital card offered by Wise. As you can see, this is what they have to say: get a digital card instantly to spend securely online or in store. As you can clearly see from the description, this card can be used online or in store. You will be granted all the details about the card, so the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, and you can copy those to use them for any purchases that you make. Alternatively, you can also link them to a digital wallet like the Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. That way, anytime you select Apple Pay or Google Pay as a payment method, the process can be done through the Wise card that you've just generated. Once you add the card to your wallet, it is going to appear immediately on the Card tab. You will have the ability to see the details at any time by tapping the Card Details option, and you have other options related to the card. You can add balance, and you can also freeze the card if you have a security breach or another issue. But for the most part, you will see the option to add the card to a digital wallet right below it. So select that option if you wish, and as long as you have the card credentials at hand, you will be able to use this Wise digital card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Wise digital card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.